loving heart, which kept itself entirely for him. He fell into his sleep beneath the cedars. All my love I gave. From all the fortress walls, the wind would brush his hair against his brow, and with its smoothest hand caressed my every sense it would allow. All night thou was my guide, all night more loving than the rising sun, all night that joined the lover to the beloved one, transforming each of them into the other. I lost myself to him and laid my face upon my lover's breast, and care